Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Clarizz. Many of you have requested for me to show you how I made my wedding logo or my wedding monogram, and this is something that you can definitely have throughout your event for everything. You put that logo on whatever you want. I also did it for my bachelorette party, and I even made my daughter now a cake topper using the same program. Alright, so the first program online that you can use is called PicMonkey.com. This is very popular and a lot of YouTubers use this to make their thumbnail. So there's a couple ways you can do this. This is exactly what I did with my logo. I found one that was super nice on Google, and then I just basically saved that into my computer and I signed up. No, that's a lie because I already had PicMonkey, but you can sign up for the free trial. It's a 7-day free trial subscription, or else you have to pay a fee of... There you go. This is the fee that is there. The free trial is nice because it offers you absolutely everything that they have on the website. Just make sure that you cancel it after the 1 week. So once you've signed up, you can go ahead and open a new file, and what we're going to do is open up our picture that we had saved from Google, and then you're going to go into shapes, and what we're going to do is basically cover the names or anything that's on the logo that you don't want. You can try the eraser tool to erase those names, but sometimes it doesn't let you, so this is the best way to do it if you just want to simply find a fast solution. If you do know how to erase that with an eraser tool, comment down below and let us know. So after covering that with the white background, obviously it depends on the background that you have, but you're covering it with white most likely, you are just going to add your text, and there are so many different types of fonts out there. It totally depends on the mood and the style that you want for your wedding, but basically it's super easy, and there are many other pictures or any other design that you can add on this, but I just want to show you the simple way of just putting our names on that. It's very easy to change the font color, but the design that you got from Google, that one cannot be changed. So just make sure to have that in mind when you're looking for a particular color. The next method that you can make a logo with is also straight from PicMonkey, and all you need to do is open up a blank document or a blank canvas, and we are just going to use the designs that they have on the left hand side. They have many different styles and many different designs for different occasions, so it doesn't have to be just for a wedding. So if you want to customize your own right from the scratch, then you can do this. And this way you could also make your background transparent. So if you are looking to put your logo, monogram, or whatever it is on a napkin per se for like the cocktail hour or something like that, then you need to have it in a PNG file where the background is transparent, or else you're going to have that white background on the napkin itself or whatever color it may be. So it's pretty easy to make your own logo right off of PicMonkey, and it's really convenient as well. For my particular monogram for my wedding, they didn't have that design that I wanted, so I did have to look it up on Google and then adjust any designs and also the type of fonts here on PicMonkey. If you don't think you're super creative and don't have that eye for a nice monogram, they do have templates here on PicMonkey that you can use as well, and then all you have to do is basically change the name just as we did with the photo that we had from Google. So it's pretty easy. I really like this way, and there you go. All you have to do is change the background to transparent and also save it as a PNG file, and you can blast that on anything for your wedding. Another program that you can use online is called Canva.com. Now this is free, but again, if you wanted a transparent background, if you wanted to save it as a PNG file and all that stuff, you do have to pay a little bit and then cancel it after. But here I do a lot of my thumbnails as well, and you can find many different designs here. I like this one because it's super, I would have to say, like modern. The designs here are really nice. The graphic designs under templates are very in, they're very now, so I really like that about Canva. And so as you can see here, I'm just changing again the letters, and then you can customize the colors that you want. Canva is also great if you wanted to do online invitations. This is what I use all the time to send like Facebook invitations, and I just post that on the Facebook group, just so you have something a little bit more formal. And again, there's so many different types of holidays or events, and they already have it laid out for you. All you have to do is change the name and also, you know, the event and the location. So that's what's great about that. But again, if you did want to do a logo, you will have to pay, or don't have to pay, but you can do the 1 week free trial. Just make sure that you cancel it, or else they are going to charge your credit card. Now, if you don't want to make your own monogram but still have a vision of what it's going to look like, I really love this site. It's called Upwork.com, where you basically find freelance artists of any types. You can find like authors, you can find videographers, photographers here, and they can do anything for you. It's free to sign up, and all you have to do is post a job posting, and people will give you their resumes, and then you can hire them from there. It's very cheap compared to, you know, somebody that you would have in person. And I had this one done. This was a moving motion thing that I wanted to do for my video. This cost me $20, and you know, I told the guy I wanted to change the direction that the O and C goes. So basically that's what he did for me, and that was super cheap. It was only 20 bucks. I also hired someone on there to make my logo a little bit more crisp and also big enough so that I can use it for this dance floor that we had at our wedding. So basically that is all of the programs that I use for all my logos and monograms. If you have any question, let me know in the comments down below. And also, hopefully you found this video helpful. Give it a big like if you did, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.